Watch us build a complete AI-powered local marketing agency that finds desperate clients, creates custom pitches and delivers premium services automatically. Webinar: watch us build a complete AI-powered local marketing agency that finds desperate clients, creates custom pitches and delivers premium services automatically, for multiple niches and turn it into $15,000/month recurring revenue business. Today, you'll discover the proven system smart entrepreneurs are using to build hands-free AI local marketing agencies that generate $15,000 plus per month without any marketing experience. How regular people with zero business background are creating multiple agency websites in different local niches that attract high-value clients and convert automatically. How you can set up your own local marketing empire, with AI lead discovery, automated outreach, and complete service fulfillment built in. Win a free copy of LocalBizAI, $150 in Vinia SX Marketplace credits, and tons of local marketing agency bonuses exclusively for live webinar attendees. Sign up below to attend the free live training on September 23, 10 a.m. EST. And the list goes on and on. This student makes over $100,000 a year providing social media management services. Sign up below to attend the free live training on September 23, 10 a.m. EST. Win a free copy of LocalBizAI. Disclaimer: please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo Registered is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Incorporated, a Florida corporation located at 1809 East Broadway Street Suite 125 Oviedo, Florida 32765 USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion. Copyright document. Right, new date, get full year, 2025 LocalBizAI.io Vinia SX Solutions LLC, UAE.